What up, what up? 2018 certified random divisions. Going live, time thing. 6:38. Already have the divisions in, already have the names in. We randomize both. Dice has to be 4 or more. Throw you in a spreadsheet wherever you line up. That's who you get 6 times on the divisions. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. AFC West on the top, NFC North on the bottom. IRUCDX is the code for divisions. There we go. Now let's do the names. Again, 4 or more. It is a 7. 7 on the names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Ralph on top, Ralph on the bottom. OSMPAN is your code. There you go, guys. Let's make this a little bigger. That's who you got. Congrats, good luck. We are done. Timestamp is 6:39. Thanks, guys.